So students, good evening all. Let me wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that everyone can join and we can start our class today. So we will start today's class. So first I will am I audible? Can anyone respond? Unmute.
You're audible enough.
Okay. So I will try to share my screen. So my screen is visible to all. Okay. Anyone in the lobby? Today only 6 are joined. Everyone joined or anyone yet to join? Can you check with your friends? Anyone yet to join? So totally only 4. Okay, I'll start. If they come with them. So our today's topic is strings. Can anyone tell what is string in Python? What is string in Python? What is string in Python? Who knows? We have seen in three previous classes. Yes.
Set
Yep.
of characters.
Yes, set of characters. Then wait.
It's a type of data type.
Yes, it's a type of data type. Then just tell what you know about string. So far we have seen how you will declare string in Python. How you will declare string in Python. It's a very important data type.
Under the quotations. Under the
Yes,
quotations.
yes, inside the quotations, inside the single quote or inside the double quote or inside the triple quote, it's considered as a string. So by default, Python stores in what data type? If you give any input, by default, Python stores
String.
what data type? Yes. So
String.
Python will consider as a string. By default, it will store as a string. If you want to change, you can use, if you want to change a data type, what you have to use? If you want to change a data type.
Casting.
Yes, you should use typecasting to change the data type. So that's it. So we will see one by one. Okay. So it's so first it's like I have seen that practice makes perfect in everything, not only in programming or computer science. Practice makes perfect in everything. In whatever field you choose, you should be keep on practicing daily. Then only you will become master in that. So keep practicing it along with me. Okay. So okay.
Sir, will you please share all the old PDFs? What have you taught us?
A PDF. Uh,
Yeah.
that PDF, I have to check with instructors. Uh, I have to get
So
permission with
will
them
you
whether.
verify it through that PDF?
Yeah, I will. I will check with that instructor whether I can share. I have permission to share. After if he says okay, I'll share. Okay. You can
Okay,
take
sir.
you can take notes in between, and you can also take screenshot if you find any helpful information. Try to do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first we'll see about Python strings, then we'll see about string slicing and how to slice a string in Python. After that we'll see about how to modify a string using different inbuilt functions in Python. Then we'll see concatenate string. What is concatenate string? Can anyone tell what is concatenate string?
It
Concatenation
will
means
just join two of the strings.
yes, using what?
Um,
Any operator?
double plus fiber.
Okay, you can
Addition.
you yes, addition. You can use the plus symbol to join the two strings. That's called concatenate string. Then format strings or F string. What is mean by F string or format string? F string is used for what? Anyone knows F string about F string? Okay. What is escape characters? Anyone tell what is escape characters? It's nothing but just like giving a new line backspace like that. Then we can see string methods and inbuilt functions, and finally we see if a string exercise if time is available. Okay, so first we'll see about Python string. So strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. I said that. So this allow is inside the single quote is same as allow inside the double quote. So this will be considered as a string in Python. You can display a string literal with the print function in Python. So if you put this keyword inside this, it will be printed. You can use the codes inside a string as long as they don't match the code surrounding a string. So for example, I can see here, you can see print hello. This will give a hello, and this one also give the same hello. And in this example, if you see print, it's all right. Here you can see that starting and ending ends with a double quote, and inside they are giving a single quote. So this will works. And if you see in this, he is called Johnny. So will this work? Will this work? This line?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here also no
Yes.
problem, because they started with the double quote and ended with the double quote. Inside they have given a single quote. This one also no problem, and this one also same, no problem, because they started with single quote and ended with single quote. Inside that they have used the double quote. So that's the thing, where you can use both single quote and double quote inside the string. So that's it. Anyone now doubt in this? You can tell. You cannot use, uh, if you start with double quote, you must end with double quote. You cannot do that. If you start with double quote and if you end with single quote, then it will give an error. Okay. If you start with single quote, you should end with single quote. Okay. That's it. So in this next time is, we can see that string as array. um, so I have just taken a word called like tiger coding school. So in that, I have given a boxes. So boxes, and you can see that positive indexing and negative indexing. Can anyone tell what is positive index and what is negative index? Who can tell? Just unmute and try. Positive indexing and negative indexing. Just unmute and tell if you know the answers. No one? Okay. See, positive indexing means it starts from 0 and it travels from left to right. So you can see that the green letters starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on till the end. So this is called positive indexing. And if you talk about negative indexing, this will start from right to left, and it will start from the last letter as -1, -1, -2, -3, and it goes to the end. So this is positive indexing and negative indexing of array, representing array. So strings are stored as arrays in Python, and each character in string are having index value starting from 0 if you are going with the positive index, and from the end the index value starts from -1. So this is the one indexing value. Anyone have doubt in this? Everyone understood?
No doubt.
Okay, we'll move next. So next we'll see about string slicing. You can return a range of characters by using a slice syntax to specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. One second, someone has. So that's the thing. So in this example, we can see that here, who can explain this example? If you know, you can explain. Who can explain? This is very simple. Can anyone explain the first example? If you already know what is string slicing, anyone? Okay, let me tell. So here they have taken a variable b and they assigned a string called hello hold. Okay. So from this they are given the second line. They are used the print function, and they're given a b, and they use the square brackets and 2:5. What this represent 2:5? Can anyone tell? String, if we what's the index value starts from for the hello world?
0.
Okay, zero represents which character? Yes. Okay, see here, everyone listen here. You have to go from left to right with starting as 0 value. So h is 0, e is 1, this l is 2, 3, 4, 5, this space is 6, and this word is 7, and it goes on till exclamatory symbol. Okay, so if you consider like this, this states that it's the first one is you should start from second index. Here 0, 1, 2. So this starts from 2. 2 means L, and it should end up to 5. This you have to use the colon, and you have to give the number. This 5 represents that it should end up to 5, but should not include 5. So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should not include 5. So it will print that this one L, L, O. Am I clear? Everyone understood?
So please can you repeat?
Okay. So again, just wait for 10 seconds. Just joined. Janai C. Okay. So everyone cleared with the first line, right? First line, everyone understood what is this? The first line, B equal to hello world.
Yes.
Okay. In the second line, print statement, they are saying that B square bracket. Within the square bracket, they are giving numbers. The first number is which is starting number, and the second number is ending number, and in between they are using colon. So in terms of indexing, the positive indexing starts from 0. Here H represent 0, E represent 1, this L represent 2, this L represent 3, and O represent 4, this comma represent 5, this space represents 6, this W represents 7, and it goes on till exclamatory. Okay, now they are saying that 2. So if 2 means where the index 2 starts. See here 0, 1, 2. So our starting index is L. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is 2, and the next L is 3, and the next O is 4, and comma is 5. Here the last comma you should not include. You should not include. You should print. It will print only L, L, O. It will print up to 5, but not include 5. That means it will print 2, 3, 4.
Okay, got it.
2, 3, 4 means LLO. That's it.
Okay,
That's it. That's a simple.
got it.
Okay. So in this example, you can see the same example B equal to hello world. Here they are saying that B square bracket. They didn't include any number. They are directly start with the colon, and they given 5. Who can explain this if you know already?
So it will go till I guess till 4, 0 to 4.
Yes, correct. 0 to 4. Correct. See, if they didn't give any number means you should consider that it's starting from 0. If they didn't give any number means, so it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it will not include 5. So that it will print what? It will print what?
0 to 4.
The
Hell,
what?
it will print
Yes,
hello.
yes, correct, correct. It will print hello. It will print hello. So this is where you are slicing from the start, and this means slicing from the end. Okay. So in this, who can explain this example?
So it will print like from the second character to the end, like from L to D.
Not D. It's an there is a symbol, exclamatory symbol. It will print up to
Okay.
the exclamatory.
Yes.
It will print up to the exclamatory symbol. So here the starting value is 2. So 0, 1, 2. From the L it will start. If they didn't give any number means it will calculate as all till the end. Till the end means it will print up to the exclamatory. So anyone have doubt in this? These are very
No doubts.
basic examples. This will be very very helpful. So I will show everything in the Jupyter notebook. Okay. And this one, who can explain this? This is given what indexing? This is given what indexing?
Negative indexing.
Yes, very good. So negative indexing starts from
-1.
-1. And the direction?
Right to left.
Yes, very good. So here you can see that it starts from -2. So -1 will be exclamatory and -2 will be D. So from D it starts and it ends up to -5. So -1, sorry, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It will not include the -5. It will end up to -4. So it will print up to exclamatory to R. Everyone clear?
So not exclamatory, right? Because it's starting from -2.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it starts from -2. Correct. So up to D, it will print up to D. I will show the demo in the Jupyter notebook. So it will from -1, -2 it goes on. So its starting value is -5, means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -5, -5 O will be our starting value, and it will end up to D. So our output will be ORLD. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay. So same thing here, they are giving a slicing. These examples I will work out in Jupyter notebook and I will show how this slicing. Okay, I will just show only the main examples. So string modifying. So in this string modifying, there are only three main functions given. One is upper, one is lower, and one is strip. What's the use of upper? If anyone knows, you can tell. Upper is used for what? Upper is used for what? If I give this two line, what output I'll get?
So it will print in uppercase letters, like hello
Yes,
world would be printed in uppercase letters.
yes, yes, correct. See here, I have declared a variable a and I have assigned a string hello world. These are title cases. Okay, title means the first one will be capital, remaining will be small letters, and I am printing that a dot upper function. I am using this function. So if I use this function, this entire hello world will be changed into all upper cases. Everything will be changed into capital letters. So if you use this function, everything will be changed into capital letters, uppercase. And the same opposite, this one is lower function. If you use this function, what output you will get? Can anyone try? Same thing. What output you will
All
get?
in
All the
lower
letters
cases.
will be lower
Small letters. All the this allow this H and W also will convert into small letters. So that's the thing, upper and lower. And here you can see that strip. So this strip method removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. So a equal to hello world. If I you print a dot strip this function, what output I'll get?
It will remove the spaces from starting and end.
Yes, correct.
White spaces.
Yes, see here you can see the white space here, right? This one and this white space. That white space will be removed. That's it. So anyone have doubt in this? Anyone have doubt? Shall I move next? Upper lower strip. If you have doubt, just tell me. If you don't have, I'll move to the next slide.
No,
Okay. So next you can see that again two methods. One is replace and one is split. So this the replace method replaces a string with another string. So here I have taken a variable and I have given hello world string, and I am printing that a dot replace h comma j. So if I give this print line, what output I'll get, and what I
Hello
am doing.
world, because H will be replaced. H will be
Yes,
replaced by J.
yes. So if you want to replace any character, you can use this dot replace method, and you should give which character you have to replace, and what and also you should give the new character which you have to replace. Suppose if I give K here, then it will be replaced as kilovolt, KELLO, kilovolt. So whatever character you give, it will be replaced. Then we'll see that split method. This split method splits the string into substrings if it finds instance of the separator. So here a equal to hello world, print a dot split, and they are giving a character comma. So what output I'll get? What output I'll get?
Hello and world as two separate words.
To separate words in what format? That is format also.
Like with a comma, but like uh, not a single word. Like both of them are separate with a
See here,
comma.
see here, separator, you can decide whatever separator. It can be comma, it can be at symbol, hash symbol, you can give whatever separator. But here, since they are given comma, they have given us comma. And here you can see that this allowable is a single string. If you give this, it will be splitted into two string by using comma. But there is one thing you have noticed. There is a change in data type. You can tell anyone tell what data type. There's a change in data type. Those who know Python already.
List.
Yes, correct, correct. You can see here brackets.
It change
You can
into
see you can see the brackets, square brackets. If you give the split function, it will split the words and it will give in a list format. So this allow whole single string has been converted into single string and it given in a list format. So that's it. So shall I move next?
yes, sir.
So this upper lower capitalize title replace count I will show in the Jupyter notebook. And format string or f string. So this is one of the important concepts. So f string was introduced in Python 3.6 and is now the preferred way of formatting string. To specify a string as an f string, simply put an f in front of the string literal and add curly brackets. So this curly brackets as a placeholder for variables and other operations. So if you want to create an f string, first you will see an example. They have declared variable age equal to 36 and text equal to uh, first they are given a string. My name is John. I am. So this is entire string. Within the string, they are used this curly brackets and they have given the variable name. So this age is a variable name. This age they have given. So if you use the curly brackets inside the string, you should use f in the beginning. Are you clear? If you use curly brackets inside the string to get a variable, you should use f in the beginning. That's it. Finish. So if I print text, what output I'll get?
My name is John. I am 36. You just put 36 as
Yes,
the
this f
age
string,
for the value.
this curly brackets age represents this variable, and this 36 will be represented here. So that's the thing. So same here also. So if you print this line, what output you'll get? The first line. So all the three are same. What's the difference? All the three are same. What's the difference here? You can easily find out. What's the difference? No one noticed?
So it ends with hashtags. No, double
Yes, yes, quotes. See, this
single
is
quote,
end with single quote,
double
double quote, triple quote, but all the functions are same.
triple.
Here they are used curly brackets and they are given the variable name, and in the beginning they are given f. So this variable will be replaced by represents bark. So the final output will be a dog says bark. So that's it. That's string method. And placeholder modifier, this is also same as you see in the previous. So add a placeholder for the price variable. So price is a variable amount, and they given 59. Text, they are given the price is price dollars. So inside the curly brackets they have given price, and in the beginning they are given f. So this price will be replaced by 59. So in the final output you will get that the price is $59. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Okay.
Okay. This same example here, the only changes is they have added colon point 2f, colon point 2f. If I give this, what output I'll get? Colon point 2f. What output I'll get? Who can guess? It's very simple. Point 2f denotes what?
Multiplication of f.
No. Okay, I'll tell. So this point 2f denotes that it should print in a decimal format. So decimal format, after the point it should have two values. So here they don't have any values. So it will be printed as 59.00. The price is $59.00. So this will be the output for this. And the next one is an ordinary max operation. Within the curly brackets, you can also perform mathematical operation. 20 into $59. If you this multiplication answer will be getting printed in the output. So anyone have doubt in this? Shall I move next? Anyone have doubt? No doubt? No, just unmute and tell whether I can move next, or if you have doubt. These are the two F strings, F string method. Shall I move next? I need confirmation.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So string operators. So this, as usual, I said that the plus operator means concatenation. So concatenation means it will combine two string. Here STU, three variables, and they given a string called 4 bar bus. If they give S plus T, it will combine two string 4 plus bar, which means 4 bar. It will give the result 4 bar. And here they are adding three strings, so 4 bar bass. So output will be 4 bar bass. And here they are printing go team plus exclamatory. So if they so this is one string and this is one string. By using the plus operator, they are combining the string, and the output will be go team and this three exclamatory symbol. So that's it. Everyone understood? Shall I move next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here star operator. So in this star operator, it will multiples the string. So this create multiple copies of the string. Example s equal to 4 is if you go s star 4, it will print 4 copies of this f double o dot 4 dot. So 4 dot 4 dot 4 dot 4 dot 4 times. And the reverse, like 4 into s also prints the same. So that's it. Shall I move next?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this, the in operator returns true if the first operand is contained in within the second, or return false. So here they are checking whether that string is present or not. So s equal to 4. S equal to 4. S in this string. So this is an entire string. They are checking that this 4 is present in this string or not. If it present, it gives true. If it not present, it gives false. So that's it. It's like just a checking. Yeah, yesterday we have seen this operator in and not in, same. So that's it in operator. Then we'll see about the string functions. String functions, there are different string functions. So if you give char, this converts an integer to a character. If you give or, this converts a character uh, to an integer. So, and this length function returns the length of a string, and this string function returns a string representation of an object. So we will see everything in the string Jupyter notebook. So this is odd function. This gives the ASCII value of a character given. So if you give ORD and within the curly braces, if you give any character, it will give the ASCII value of the character. So here they have given A. This A represents ASCII value of 97, and hash symbol represents the ASCII value of 35. And this character represents same, that is vice versa. This character of 97 gives A. This character of 35 gives hash symbol. And length function we have already seen, I think. So here they are given s equal to im a string, and if you give len of s, what is this footing? What represents this footing? Len of s means what?
Length of the string.
Yes, so it will count the string.
Means hmm.
It will count. It will count each character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it goes up to 14. So that's the length of the string. And this is an exercise. Write a program to get an output like this. So who can tell? Just a one line. Just a one line you can print. You have to print this format. You have done good job. What you will give in a print statement? Anyone?
Print s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4.
Yes, correct. Correct. But if I give as you said, I will not get any spaces. It will print directly as a
Okay.
one single string. Any other format?
By giving comma in between them.
Yeah, you can give comma.
No.
By giving comma, you can get.
Hmm.
And you can also give this empty spaces. By giving these empty spaces also, you can get the result.
Okay.
And this is a class on Python. Apply all the string functions on the string. So I will tell this in this next. And Boolean string functions. So it will check this character whether present in this string. If it present, it gives true. Otherwise, it gives false. So escape characters to insert characters that are illegal in the string, use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. So here, see here, they are given a text variable and they are given a string. Okay, so it started with double quote and ended with double quote. But inside, they are using a double quote. So if you want to use this illegal character, you should use this backslash escape character. So if you give this backslash, this Python will ignore this error. Okay, and the final output will be like double quote Vikings. What will happen if you don't use the backslash? What will happen if you don't use the backslash? Who can tell? No one. If you don't use the backslash, it will give an error because they already started with double quote. Again, if they start in between double quote, it will give an error. Okay, that's it. So that's it. So this is the escape characters. There are various symbols like a single quote. For that, if you want to skip single quote, you can use this one, backslash, double backslash, new line. New line. If you give this new line, what will get in the printed statement? For what purpose this?
It will
Get what?
to go on next line.
Yes, correct. To go on the next line. Then carriage return tab, which means 4 spaces, backspaces, form feed. So these are all escape characters. It can be used for different purpose. So that's it. I will go with the Jupyter notebook. I want everyone to open with this Jupyter notebook and just type along with me. So everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay. So first we will see that let's see a simple example that print hello. Print this hello and this hello. So is there any difference between these two? Is there any difference? No.
Yes.
But final output we don't have any
Cool.
final output will not have any difference. You can use either single quote or double quote, both are same. Okay. Then we'll see about quotes inside the quotes. We'll see about quotes inside the quotes. So you can see that I can print it's all right. So in this, if I print that, I will get that it's all right. So here no problem. But if I you can see that if I print like this, if I print like this, what output I'll get? If I print like this, what output I'll get? I'll get an error. I will get an error because see here unterminated string literal. If you start with double quote, you should end with double quote. You should not use double quote in between the string. See, if you start with single quote, you should end with single quote. You should not use double quote in between. So if I run this, I'll get output. But this is correct, but no one uses double quote inside this. So this is also correct. So everyone understood the format, right? If you start with double quote, you should start with double quote. You should not use single quote. So let there be a cases. I want double quote inside the string. Then what I have to give? I want double quote inside the string. That means what I have to give?
Backslash and double quote?
Yes, correct. So if I give backslash, I'll get the output. So that's it. That's the escape character. So that's the way of using quotes inside the quotes. Then assign string to a variable. I will show that assign string to a variable. So a equal to hello. So if I print a, I'll get hello. I'll get that printed as hello. So what if I want to print only h, only h? If I want to print h, only h, what I have to give? Those who know can tell. If I want to
Single
print
quote?
h, no, see this h, only h, by using the index value. Zero, how?
Just a square bracket and colon.
No,
Square bracket, then square bracket and colon.
square bracket and colon. You are saying this
A
one, right?
square bracket?
Yes, correct. A square bracket.
Yes, sir.
Then what's inside? Only h. Index start value starts from what?
0,
Yes, correct.
0.
So if yes, correct. So if you want to print h, you can do a of 0. If I want to print E, if I want to print E, say the number.
One.
Print E. Yes.
One.
Yes, correct. Correct. If I want to print O, if I want to print O,
-1.
yes, very good. -1. Print O in positive index. If I want to print O in positive indexing.
4.
4.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. So everyone understood how the index value works.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next I want to get the length of this string. If I want to get the string length, I want to get the length of this hello. What I have to give? Let me consider
Length
A.
and parenthesis A.
What? Print
Len
length of
length
A. Yes,
A.
correct.
Yes.
So what output I'll get?
5.
Yes, correct. 5.
No, 4.
No,
4.
5 only.
5.
5. Because see, if you count the length of a string, you should count with 1. If you count length of a string. If you go with index value, then you should go with 0. Okay? So don't confuse index value and length of the string.
Okay, sir.
Hello hold and print len of A. What output I'll get? What output I'll get?
10.
11.
Eleven.
You have to
Yes.
you have to count with
Counted.
you have to count with 1. You should include this empty space also. Okay. So that's the string length. Then if you want to check string, it's like a boolean, using a boolean. If you want to check a string, to check string, I'll just text variable. I'll just say that practice makes perfect. Okay, the text is practice makes perfect. To check a string, print makes in text. So if I give this statement, what output I'll get?
True.
True.
Yes, so it's like a generally checking whether it's it's like a generally checking whether it's present or not. So if I give it, I will get the true statement. So same thing, if I give not in, what output I'll get?
False.
Yes, I'll get the false. So that's it. Then we'll see about string slicing. In the string slicing, I'll declare a variable b equal to hello hold. So if I print b of starting from 2 index value and ending with 5 index value, and what output I'll get? String slicing. I'm doing string slicing. What output I'll get? This I've seen already in the slide. LL.
LLO.
Yes, correct. It will print
No.
LLO. Yeah, it's correct. LLO. See here. H is 0, E is 1, and L is 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 is empty space. That fifth value it will not
Yeah.
get. Yes. You got it, and you'll get this LLO. Then if I go with the what output I'll get.
We will get hello
Yes. So up to 5,
from
up
0
to
to
this
4.
from 0 to 4, it will get printed from 0 to 4. This one, what output I'll get.
From L to whole last.
Yes, correct. Yes,
LLO
correct.
1.
Yes, correct. So this is also you can say that, and I can say that one called skipping one character. You can skip one character. Skipping one character. If I want to skip one character, how I can give? See, I'll start from 0. I'll start from 0 and I'll end with okay 10. If I want to skip character, what I have to give? Skipping means I'll be printing H, I'll be skipping E, I'll be printing this L. Again I'll be skipping this L, I'll be printing O, skipping the space, printing W, skipping O, printing R, like that. I'm asking. If you want to skip one character in between, what you can give? If you want to skip that, you can again you have to use one more colon, and you have to give how many numbers you have to skip. For example, if you want to skip one character, you should give 2. 2 means it will jump. It will skip from H. It will go to L. So it will jump. It will skip one character. It will jump to one more. If you want to skip 2 characters, you should give 3. If you give 3 means it will skip. It will print H. It will skip EL. EL it will be skipped. It will print L. Then O and space it will be skipped. It will print W. So yeah, everyone understood what I am saying? Everyone
Okay, one
understood?
example.
So I'll just show the single character. So if I print this, you can see that HLOWR. First it will print H. Then it will skip the E character. Then it will print hello. The hello means that L. It will print that L character. Again it will skip the second L. And it will print a O. Again it will skip the space. It will print a W. It will skip O. It will print R. So understood everyone? It's like skipping one character in between. Or you need
So
example.
what if we will put 3 on the place of 2?
If you put 3 means it will skip 2 characters. H will be printed, EL will be skipped. This first EL will be skipped, second L will be printed. You can see that in between EL, this EL will be skipped and next L is printed. Again, O and space is
Yes.
skipped. W is printed. So that's the form
Okay.
of skipping the characters. This one, the works with for negative indexing also. Both positive and negative indexing you can work. So this third one is like skipping characters or counting the
In
characters.
2 characters.
So next thing is if
Okay.
you want to string reverse, what you have to give? String reverse.
REV. Reverse. Print
No.
REV.
For example, I will say that hello world. This string should be reversed using index. If you want to completely reverse a string, I have to use 2 colon minus 1. So if I give this, the entire string will get reversed. So can you see that it starts from D and it's go from ends with H. So this is a string reverse. Everyone understood?
To reverse, you have to give two columns.
Yes, it will entirely reverse whatever you print. For example, I will say that John. John. If I print B of colon minus 1, what output I'll get? Guess?
NHOJ.
And
Yes, correct. It will reverse a string. NHOG. Correct. So next we will see about modifying a string. String modifying. I'll just say that a equal to a variable equal to hello world. So if I want to print this in an uppercase, if I want to print in an uppercase, so normally it will print in a normal format. If I want to print it in uppercase, what I have to give? Tell me quickly. If I want to print in uppercase, I have discussed the slide. Anyone guess? Uppercase. That word is inside inside itself.
Print a dot upper bracket.
Yes, very good. So if I print like this, I will get an uppercase. You can see the difference. The first one is normal and the second one is uppercase. If I want to print lowercase, tell me. If I want to print lowercase.
dot lower than parenthesis.
Yes, correct. Very good. If I want to print capitalize means the first one will be capital. If I want to print capitalize, what I should give? This entire hello world, in that entire hello world, only H will be capital, rest everything will be small. That is called capitalize. How? Same as you did in the previous. Who can tell? There is no any change. Okay. A dot capitalize. You have to give A dot capitalize and this one. If you do this, you will get only H will be capital. And if I want title case, what is title function? What is title? Title is used for what? Tell. Title is used for what? It's already title case. So title case means each word will have capital letters. Each word first character will be capital. So that is the title case. Capitalize only beginning will be capital, rest everything small. But in title case, each word, each character will be capital, the first character. It's already in the title case. A dot, I'll give title. This is A dot title. Then replace. There is a replace. If I want to replace hold, if I want to replace hold, what I have to give? If I want to replace hold, I have to give which word I have to replace. I have to replace the word and in what format? What's the new word? And I'll say that universe. Hello universe. Okay. So if I give this, what output I'll get? What I am doing this line,
Hello,
this line.
universe.
Yes, this world will be replaced by universe. That's the hello keyword. Then we will see that that's it, replace, and we will see about. See, I'll just print this up to this. I'll print. So you can see the uppercase, lowercase. This is capitalized, and this is title, and this is replace. So anyone have doubt in this? Till now, anyone have doubt? Now I will
No,
tell
yes,
the. Okay, I will tell the count function. Count function counts the character inside the string. So if I want count how many O's present in this, what should I do? If I want to count how many O's present in this hello world, what should I do? Same a dot count. I should use the count word, and within the brackets I should give what character. What character I should count? I should count O. If you want to count H, you can give H. So I just taken as O. So if I give this, what output I'll get? If I give this,
2.
what output? Yes, very good. 2. If I give this, I'll get 2. So anyone have doubt in the count function? Till now, anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, we'll see about the operator, the string concatenation function. Concatenation. So here I have declared a variable hello and e equal to hold. So if I want to concatenate, what should I do? What symbol I should do?
Plus.
Yes. Can you tell the code?
A plus B.
A plus B. Yes. So I can
Print.
give print A plus B. So it's get concatenated. So A plus B. So this is called concatenation. So if you want space, you can give the empty string. If you give empty string, you'll get space in between. So that's it of string concatenation. Then star operator. If I take this one and if I print a a star 4, what output I get? A star 4, what
The
output
word
I will?
hello will be printed 4 times.
Yes, yes,
Hello is repeated 4 times.
yes. 4 copies. It will print 4 copies. So that's the string concatenation. Then we'll see about f string. So f string. So here I'll take the variable age equal to 25 and
So another question.
what
So in
if
the
I want,
upper example of the star one, if we want to give space, then how we will give it?
you can give your space, you give your space because this multiplication it's like copies, it will print only the copies. Okay,
Hmm.
here this is
Okay, got it.
concatenates, but this gives only the copies.
Hmm.
You can give here or you can give here also. Okay, that's it. So you have string age equal to 25. Inside the string I am giving my name is John. I am, see here, if I here I am using curly brackets and I am giving the variable name. If I give curly brackets and variable name, I should put f in the beginning. That's it. Okay. So now if I print text, what output I'll get? If I print
My
text, what
name is
output?
Shan. I am
Yes. So that's the thing. This age represents this variable. And we'll see one more f string called price. Price equal to 70, and I'll give the text of the price is curly brackets. Between that I am using the variable. If you use curly brackets, again you have to put your price in dollars. So if I print text, the output,
The price is $70.
yes, correct, the price is $70. If I use colon 0.2f, what output I'll get? Colon 0.2f, what output I'll get?
70.0 in decimal values.
Yes. If I give 50.5f, what output I'll get? What output I'll get? Who can tell?
50.50.
Yes, 70.5 zeros. So whatever the decimal up to that, if you give that number, that decimal value will come here. So that's it. Next we'll see about Boolean string functions. So we'll say that a equal to hello world. Print, I am using a dot is alpha. What is this is alpha? What is this is alpha? Is alpha means what? And what output I'll get? Anyone knows? Okay. See, this is alpha means this checks the string whether it is a string. A dot is alpha means it checks the a whether it has alpha characters. Alpha means alphabetical characters. So if I give this statement, what output I'll get? It's a boolean. Boolean means
True.
true. How many of you say true? How many of you say false? See, it will give false. It will give false. Wait,
Why so false?
spelling is correct. Wrong. Spelling alpha alpha. It will give false. Why? It will give false and why? It is only minor.
Is it because there is a space in between?
Yes, correct. Very good. See, if it have any space in between, it will give false. If there is no space, then it will give true. Then it will give true. It checks only alpha characters. It's not checking any space or nothing. So that's the thing. Then the same thing. There is one more boolean function called is alnum. Is alnum. So this checks both alphabetical characters and numbers. So if I print this, what output I'll get?
True.
Yes, correct, true. And there is one more empty string. Empty string means spaces. And if I print a dot is space, what this function, what this line does? Who can explain? A dot is space.
It will
It
count all
checks
the
for
spaces,
Yes, it checks. Yeah,
like
it
the
checks for
space.
the empty spaces. If the space is there, it will give true. If the space is not there, it will give false.
So what
So that's it.
we will add alpha and space, we will get
Alpha,
the whole thing.
alpha and space. We don't have that type of function. Whether it's checking both space and alpha, we have only this alpha. As alpha checks alpha, alnum checks both the alpha numbers and as is space. And if you want to check only digits, if you want to check only digits, what? If you want to check only digits,
Is num, is
a dot
what?
is
Num,
either is num.
no, it's not a num, is digit.
NUMD.
A dot is digit.
Okay.
So if you give this, it will print a dot is digit. Then we have seen is space, is digit. Then is
I
upper.
have a question.
Okay, tell me
In the
in
first
this
example,
this one.
the is alpha, yeah. What if
Yeah,
there's a single quote? Will that
yeah,
make
work.
it
It
false?
will work. It will work. No, no, it will work. Doesn't matter
No,
single quote at
I
all.
meant in the string.
Inside the string. You are asking inside the string.
Yeah, like how you write it's in like that if there's a single quote in between.
Okay, it will give false because it's a I don't know. I'll check. So you are saying like this, right? Right? There is a single quotation. What out? You are saying like this, right? It's false.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
It's false because
Okay. So
it
that
checks
means the
only characters, only alphabetical characters. No more special characters. No more numbers. No more spaces. Nothing. Clear?
okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Then we'll check is upper. There is a function called is upper. So it just print a dot is upper. So if I give this, what output I'll get?
Spelling.
Spelling correct. Upper. Okay.
Maybe
What output?
true.
Yes, because it checks whether it's upper or lower. Same thing for lower also. Is lower. Then you'll get what? True.
True.
Yes. Then if I give this only H, if I capital, what output I'll get?
False.
Yes. Yes, correct. False. So that's it about today's exercise. Anyone have doubt in this? I'll post a quiz link. Anyone have doubts in the string slicing, length of string? Anyone have doubt? Changing the cases, upper, lower, capitalize, slicing through index value. Anyone have doubt? Shall I
No,
move?
sir.
Okay. So I will post a
Yes,
quiz
sir.
link. I'll post a quiz link. I have no time to do this exercise. If you want, you can screenshot this exercise and you can try in your house if you come tomorrow. I just post the quiz link now. You can join the quiz. One more yet to join. Everyone join the quiz. I have posted the quiz link. you have completed the quiz, you can leave the meet. We will meet tomorrow. If you have any doubt, you can stay. If you don't have any doubt, you can leave. So if you are completed, you can leave the meet. If you have any doubt, you can wait. Okay, thank you.